Wow! Duty One, guys, Duty One, STI Duty One. I am reporting on duty for Airsoftgunindia, and guys, this is STI International Duty One, and this is made by Airsoft under the license of STI International. STI International is a model, is a company that makes real firearms, and ASG ने उससे license लिया है इसके CO2 version बनाने के लिए. So this is STI Duty One made by ASG, is 4.5 mm CO2 BB gun. इसके अंदर CO2 BB डलता है. You can see the easy load, metal slide, 20 BBs, accessory rail, steel BBs. तो इसके अंदर बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं. आप इसकी डिटेल वीडियो हमारे YouTube चैनल पे देख सकते हो, उसमें बताया गया है. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire this awesome piece and then I'm gonna show you how to load. And this is the magazine. I'm taking out the magazine right here, and this part I have to push it, remove it. So this is removed. I got a brand new CO2. First of all, I will lose the tab just like this. I'll put a CO2 right here, and then all I have to do is twist it. Yep, CO2 is loaded. Put it back just like this. Right now I have got BBs, so I'm gonna take इसकी अच्छी बात यह है कि इसमें 20 राउंड आप डाल सकते हो, तो आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है फायर करने का. बट इतनी राउंड्स की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं 6-7 कैन ही फोड़ने वाला हूँ. और गाइस, माय टारगेट इज़ ऑसम. आप इसके अंदर पढ़ सकते हो कैसे लोड करते हैं CO2, द सेम वर्जन दैट आई वाज डूइंग. तो आप ऐसे ही लोड करिए. बाकी आप वीडियो देख लीजिएगा. अभी मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं सकता फॉर द फायरिंग, एंड वी विल गो एंड डू द फायरिंग ऑफ दिस ऑसम बीट. Guys, what's up? CO2 is loaded. There's a target. Now watch this target of me. Watch, I'm gonna just, that's how I do it. Wow. This gun actually smashed the shit out of it. कोई भी एयर गन इतना पावरफुल नहीं हो सकता. So you can just see the power. Look at the thing that this BB has done. It has been totally destroyed. Look at the rounds. It have actually clean shot. Clean shot बहुत मुश्किल होता है, बट इससे आप देख सकते हो clean shot. एक साइड से BB निकला, दूसरी साइड से निकल गया. So this is really strong, and that's what a good gun do. I hope you like this. If you want to purchase this gun, it's very easy. Go to the website Airsoftgunindia.com, and I know you want to order it right away. So go and order it. Follow us on Facebook as well as Instagram. Do it right away and do it fast, because it's going to be out of stock real soon. I will see you in the next video.